This is not MPD, the Government of India under Sagarmala scheme, they are giving a lot of financial support to the states. In the Goa also they are giving a lot of financial support to have coastal tourism or nautical tourism. In this front, we have established 2-3 point also. In future, they are asking plan from the state government and asking Goa to MP to coordinate with state government so that we can have a cordial relation and we can establish the project cordially. In that, some floating pontoons are there and ropeway is there. Ropeway is a big way. Project is there. We are in discussion with state government in this matter.
Thank you, sir.